The Bissell 3061 Featherweight Cordless Stick Vacuum in electric blue and black brings an interesting blend of convenience, performance, and versatility to the table. Lightweight and cordless, it promises a compact solution for everyday cleaning with some thoughtful design touches, like its two-way folding handle that helps it break down for storage and also extends reach for under-furniture cleaning. Let's see if this model really holds up when it comes to tackling a range of tasks around the house. First, we'll talk about the vacuum's design and handling. At just under 4 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight. Whether you're using it as a stick vacuum or as a handheld unit, it's easy on the arms, especially for longer cleaning sessions. That's key for anyone who doesn't want to wrestle with heavy machinery. When in stick mode, the handle can fold in 2 different ways. It either collapses for compact storage or extends to help you reach those tricky areas under your furniture. It's a small feature, but one that improves overall usability. Being able to reach under the couch without bending over or struggling is a nice touch. The vacuum stands upright on its own too, so no leaning it against walls or worrying about it tipping over. Just finish a session, leave it standing in the corner, and it's ready for the next round. Now, let's talk power. This Bissell runs on a 10.8 volts lithium-ion battery, providing up to 20 minutes of runtime on a full charge. 20 minutes may sound like a bit of a tight window, but it's pretty standard for a vacuum at this size and price. The charge time is a solid 4.5 hours, which means you'll need to plan your cleaning sessions accordingly, especially if you're tackling larger areas. While the runtime might not be ideal for massive homes or long, uninterrupted cleaning marathons, it's perfect for quick, everyday tasks or smaller spaces like apartments or offices. Suction power, as you would expect from a lightweight model, is adequate for most household messes, but it's not going to rival full-sized vacuums when it comes to deep cleaning carpets. It performs better on hard floors, picking up dust, dirt, and smaller debris without a hitch. On carpets, it does a reasonable job, handling crumbs and lighter dirt without much effort. But if you're dealing with embedded dirt or a high-pile carpet, it may struggle a little. It's more suited to light to medium cleaning duties, and for that, it does just fine. The dustbin is easily emptied, which is an important factor if you're switching between using it as a stick vacuum or as a handheld. The dirt bin is clear, so you'll always know when it's time to empty, and the easy empty dirt bin mechanism makes the process mess-free. Speaking of the handheld mode, it's one of the key features of this vacuum. The handheld vacuum is convenient for small messes, quick cleanups, or cleaning your car's interior. Bissell includes a crevice tool and an upholstery brush for above-floor cleaning, which adds to its versatility. The crevice tool is great for getting into those tight corners or along baseboards, while the upholstery brush is ideal for sofas or cushions, picking up pet hair or dust. These attachments are not super specialized, but they do the job well enough for light tasks. Noise levels are another consideration. At full power, this vacuum is relatively quiet compared to larger vacuums, which is a huge plus if you have pets or kids who are sensitive to noise. It's not a whisper, but it's a far cry from the loud hum of some heavy-duty models. It won't disrupt your household if you're cleaning during off hours, but you'll still hear it running. Maintenance-wise, the Bissell Featherweight is pretty straightforward. The filters are washable, which helps with long-term upkeep, and it doesn't require much attention beyond occasional filter cleaning and bin emptying. Since it's a cordless vacuum, you also won't have to deal with the hassle of a cord that gets in the way or wears out over time. That's a significant advantage in terms of both ease of use and longevity. On the downside, though, there are a few limitations to consider. First off, the 20-minute runtime, while fine for light tasks, could be a deal breaker if you're planning to clean an entire house or deep clean carpets. The suction power, while decent, isn't going to give you the deep, thorough cleaning of a full-sized vacuum, particularly on carpeted surfaces. Another factor is the relatively small dustbin. If you're tackling bigger messes, you'll find yourself emptying it more frequently than with larger models, which can be a bit of a hassle. As for the competition, there are plenty of similar models on the market. If you're looking at other lightweight, cordless stick vacuums, you might also want to consider the Shark Wand Vac or the Hoover Lynx, both of which offer similar performance at a comparable price point. The Shark Wand Vac, for example, has a slightly stronger suction for bare floors, though it lacks the two-way folding handle that makes this Bissell a little more versatile. The Hoover Lynx, on the other hand, is also a good choice for hard floors, but is heavier and lacks the handheld mode, which could be a deal breaker for some. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum is priced reasonably its capabilities. While it's not going to replace a full-sized vacuum for deep cleaning, it's a solid performer for quick touch-ups and light cleaning tasks. The added bonus of it being a part of Bissell's efforts to support the Pet Foundation adds some emotional value to the purchase, knowing that a portion of your money goes to a good cause. As for build quality, it's decent for a vacuum of this price range. The plastics feel lightweight, but not flimsy, and the construction seems solid enough for everyday use. The attachments fit well, and the folding handle mechanism works without issues. This isn't a high-end, heavy-duty machine, but for what it is, it's well constructed. In terms of long-term use, there's no real data suggesting widespread issues, and given Bissell's reputation for making durable products, it's safe to expect it to hold up well for a few years with proper care. If you're looking for a lightweight, easy-to-store vacuum for quick cleanups, this is a good option to consider. It won't replace your full-sized vacuum for deep cleans, but it shines in convenience, portability, and ease of use. If you're on the hunt for something lightweight and effective for quick daily cleaning, the Bissell 36-1 Featherweight could be a great fit for you. It's perfect for apartments, small homes, or anyone who needs a quick and easy solution for regular cleaning. Its suction is good for most light tasks, and the handheld feature makes it great for quick spot cleaning, pet hair, and car interiors. Just keep in mind that it's not going to replace a heavy-duty vacuum, so if you're looking for something for deep cleaning, you might need to look elsewhere. If you've already used this vacuum or have any questions about how it performs, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the comments for links to the product. Goodbye till next time, and keep your floors clean, because nobody wants a mess to stay longer than it has to.